Alright y'all, Peter with Prime HVAC. We're out here on a barn edition, so adding on some square footage to an existing barn on a rainy day. Forget the actual dimensions, but we've got a 18,000 BTU or 1.5 ton ductless unit we're putting in. Bryant. We got a high wall unit going inside. We're not ready to mount the indoor unit, so I'm going to go over the process of installing, getting that set up, basically a rough end in a way of the condenser. So we got the Bryant 18,000 BTU outdoor unit heat pump. We're going to come through the wall somewhere in this area with the copper and the electrical, and we're going to go ahead and run everything to have it ready for when they get the sheetrock and whatnot done on the inside, so we can mount the indoor unit and get this system going. So we got using a punch out to knock the holes in these. We don't have I didn't bring the hole saw with me small enough to do it, so I've already drilled a hole to start. This is the back side of the knockout. I'll show you the rest in a little bit, but basically this is the hole we're going to make big enough to pull the lines through, and I'm going to come up and drill a hole to do the electrical a little higher. So this is the knockout setup. So we drill a hole with a drill bit. You take this piece, you put this cup end on that, you insert this through the hole, and you put this piece with the teeth on it on the other side, and ideally you're turning this end, and it pulls this bit through the metal and punches a hole in it. So I've already done this. You have to start with a drill bit, then use this piece to go with a bigger one. We're going to use this one to make a bigger hole in the wall to put the line set and the drain through. At the same time, I'm going to go ahead and set this one up to do the electrical wire up above it. So there's the hole I punched to do the small electrical wire, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on this back side here so you can watch it pull through. You want to get that snugged up. And you can use a hole saw for this, but this leaves a lot cleaner cut, and I forgot to bring the smaller bits for my hole saw. I'm usually cutting the larger holes like we did for the line set. And this is the kit we use, the Greenlee Slug Buster 1/2 inch to 2 inch. So the outside of the box looks like. It's an older one. And now we're gonna put the disconnect up, and had to do a new hole because we wanted to get this disconnect between these two ridges. So I've covered up the first hole, and we're going to seal it from the back side, and we'll pull the wire through here and put a Romex connector on this to keep it from getting pulled. I'm going to go ahead and level this out for the pad.